Superfoods are nutrient-dense foods that provide a wide range of health benefits. Blueberries are a superfood rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can protect against diseases, improve cognitive function, and reduce risk of heart disease. Low in calories and high in fiber, they are a great addition to your diet. Next one is salmon is a fatty fish rich in omega-3s, essential for brain health, reducing inflammation, and linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. It's also an excellent source of protein and vitamins. Kale. Our third superfood is kale. Kale is a nutritious leafy green vegetable that is high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's low in calories and has lots of fiber, making it an ideal choice for weight loss. Additionally, kale is rich in vitamin K, which is vital for bone health, and has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. Quinoa. Fourth on our list is quinoa. Quinoa is a nutritious grain that is gluten-free, making it ideal for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. It can help improve blood sugar control, reduce inflammation, and promote digestive health. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a superfood packed with antioxidants that can improve heart health, brain function, and reduce inflammation. Choose dark chocolate with high cocoa and minimal sugar for the most health benefits. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 superfoods that can help you achieve optimal health.